Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Good afternoon, chat. Thank you for your comments. I can love it. Thank you. Caleb, this is the time every day the class starts. Okay. Do you have any doubts with the previous class? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. 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 Yeah. I hope you can hear me now. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm sharing your attendance form link. Just take 2 minutes of time. As quick as you can, please do fill your attendance. I hope you have the link. Yeah, that's because I think every day we get the noise disturbance, so everyone are muted. Okay, you please do comment on your chat. I would respond to you, no worries. If I'm not audible, please do let me know immediately. If your videos are running, please do stop it, because when I share my screen, it would be difficult for the others to see my screen. No, every day you have to fill it. The same form link, I'm just sharing it. So you have to fill it every day. Please don't forget that. It's the same form link. It is the same form link which I've given you on the first day. Okay, that's fine then. That's good. If you're filled already for today, that's fine. Any doubts with the previous classes? Just give me a minute to go through your topics. Okay, we're supposed to do with multiplication and decimals today. Okay. Yes, it's the same link all time. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? You can just put a hand raise, that's also fine. Okay. I'm writing, just tell me, is that visible? Okay. Is that okay? Are you able to see? That's good. Okay. So I'm giving you some quick questions to do it, and I'll show you how to do it too. And I just want you to try one by one. So the first one, how to multiply the numbers ending with 5. So the first one is 5 squared. So, or I can call it as 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, that's equal to 25. So writing these two fives together, I can write it like this. Stating 5 squared. Anybody have doubt with that? How to write this format square? On top of 5, I'll write 2. That means 5 should be multiplied 2 times. Any doubts? Okay. Now let's count for the number 15 square. Okay, good. 15 square. I would take this as two parts, where this as a number A and this as number B. So I always multiply this, or for this number, 5 square is 25. So I'm going to write it as it is. Okay, so before giving you the shortcut, I'm having a quick question for you. Without using your calculators and pen, I want the answers. Okay, 15 square or 15 times 15. What's the answer? 15 times 15. 15 times 15. What's the answer? I need the answer in 2 seconds. I need the answer in just 2 seconds. Fifteen times 15. What is the answer? That was good. Okay. Next question. 25 times 25. What's the answer? Answer in 2 seconds. 25 times 25. What's the answer? Answer in 2 seconds. Not bad. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to do what without using your pen. So when I say 15 square, the 5 multiplied by 5, 25, I'm going to write it as it is. Always the ending would be 25. What's the number after 1? What's the number after 1? What's the number after 1? Yeah. So what I do, I multiply the 1 with 2. So what is 1 times 2? 2. So my answer is 225. That's it. You clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes or no? Okay. So I have to multiply 15 times 15. The same numbers ending with 5, I have to multiply it. Same numbers ending with 5, I have to multiply it. So the last two numbers would be always 25. And I will take this front number, take the next number of it, that is 2. I'll multiply them. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is 225. That's the answer when you multiply 15 times 15. Are you clear with that? Okay. Now 25 times 25. 25 times 25. The last two numbers would be 25. No changes. Now I have a number in front. That's 2. What's the number after 2? That is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 25 multiplied by 25 is 625. You clear with that? Okay. So only when two numbers are same, when I want to multiply them, that's called squaring them, the last two numbers will always be 25. Are you clear with that statement? The last two numbers would be always 25. Last two numbers always 25. Okay, now I take the first number. So it is 15 times 15. The first number is 1. The next number of 1 is 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. That's it. So my answer is 225. Next, 25 times 25. The last two numbers are 25, no changes. The number after 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 625. This works only for ending with 5 and squaring, and only when you square it, ending with 5. Okay. Any doubts? Samson, can you please rejoin? Charles. Okay. I'll give you the next questions. I want you to answer it with the method. Is that okay? Okay. Now, what is 35 multiplied by 35? Give me the answer on spot. What is 35 multiplied by 35? That was good, Ria. That was so quick. Wow, that was nice. So 25 times 25, the number after 2 is 3, so it is 6 to 5, 2 times 3. So 35 times 35, so that is the number after 3 is 4, 4 into 3, 12, so it is 1, 2, 2, 5. That was good. Okay, next 45 times 45. 2025 was good. That was good. Okay. Leonard, can you please stop your video? It might disturb the others. Okay, next. I hope you know the question. 65 times 65. No, careful with the question. It's not 55, it's a 65. Joe, your answer is completely wrong. Please do check. Oh, no. What's the number after 6? What's the number after 6? 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. So it is 4225. It's not 3525, 4225. The number after 6 is 7. Okay. Next, 85 squared. $25 would not change. The number after 8 is 9. 8 nines are 72. So it is 7225. 7225. Emmanuel, can you please check it again? Johnny is right. Michael is right. Kevin is also now right. Okay. Most of your answers are fine. See, this works even if it is a 3-digit number. Did you get it? Even though it's a 3-digit number, this would work. I'll just show you that. I'm giving a simple one. Not so difficult. I'm just giving a simple one. 105 squared. So let's take 10. What's the number after 10? Is 11. So 11 times 10 is 110. So it's 11025. That's it. Abdullah is right. Chalu is right. Ahmad is right. Vivian is also right. That's good. Any doubts? Okay, good. This works. How big is the number? It works. Doesn't matter at all. But the ending should be 5 and I have to square it. Did you get it? Okay. No, the wrong question. You're not allowed to use a calculator. Wrong question. So you are supposed to do with your pen, but I'm telling you now, practice without pen. So that becomes much more faster for you to practice. Okay. Now I'm giving you what you can do it in your mind. So now before going with the next one, yeah, that's fine. Okay, but be clear, no calculators. Okay, so now 1 square, that means 1 times 1. 1 times 1. 1. Now 2 square. 2 times 2. 4. Okay, so what you do, like this, I want you to write it up to 20 times 20. I want you to write answer for everything. 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, and 10 times 10. If you're solving, take some time, do it. If you're already done, that's good. I'm giving for the others 2 minutes of time to work on all the answers. Have you done? Have you done? Okay, good. So 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, and 361. Okay, I'm giving you a minute of time to remember all these values. If I ask, you should be able to answer it. Did you get it? All your answers are right. I've written the answer. Once you can cross check it, and I'll give you a minute of time to go through, and I want you to remember the values before I clear it. Yes, 169, correct. I'm giving you a minute of time to remember everything. Anybody still doing it? Just put up your hand. I would wait. If you're still doing it, just put up a hand raise. Okay, fine. Take time. I'm stopping my screen. I want you to do it by yourself. So I'm just stopping my screen. I'm giving you 3 minutes of time. Please try to complete it. Anybody still doing? Anybody still doing? Okay. So I'm gonna unmute you all, but if I get any background noise, again I'm gonna mute you everyone. Got it? Did you get that? Just for me to answer the questions. I would be asking you some questions. So for that, Yeah, just for only for 2 minutes, not more than that. Don't worry. Only for 2 minutes. I'm going to ask question and I want you to answer. Only for that purpose, I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. Once you're done, again, I would remove the option. You're clear with that? You clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, no more chat box. Please do close your chat boxes. And it's just for you to practice. What I'm giving you right now will help you out in number series, the topic which is related to number puzzles and number system, and all those topics, it will help you out. Got it? So 19 into 19 is Hosium, your answers are wrong. Jimmy, your answers are wrong. I'm sharing my answers. Quickly just read it from that. Is that okay? Can you see my screen? Okay. Anyone who would like to read the answers? I want anyone to read the answers twice. Who can do it? Raise your hand. They alone are allowed to mute. Sorry, unmute. Okay, Peter. Here you go. You can unmute yourself. Only Peter, not the others. Read, please do read the answers. What's on the board? 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 4. Yes, Peter, you can continue.
2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16.
Anyone without the background noise? Anyone?
1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 13 is 169. 14 times 14 is 196. 15 times 15 is 225. 16 times 16 is 256. 17 times 17 is 289. 18 times 18 is 324. 19 times 19 is 361. 20 times 20 is 400.
That was good.
Yeah. I'm here. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. 10 times 10, 100. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 12, 144. 13 times 13, 169. 14 times 14, 196. 15 times 15, 225. 16 times 16, 256. 17 times 17, 289. 18 times 18, 325. 24. 19 times 19, 361. 20 times 20, 400.
That was good. Okay, anybody else would like to try?
1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. 9 times 9, 81. 10 times 10, 100. 11 times 11, 121, 12 times 12, 144, 13 times 13, 169, 14 times 14, 196, 15 times 15, 225, 16 times 16, 256, 17 times 17, 289, 18 times 18, 324, 19 times 19, 361, 20 times 20, 400.
Good. Okay, now we'll quickly go for a test. I'm going to stop my screen. Okay, and I'm stopping you all to mute your mic by yourself. Now it's only on the chat. Whoever answers first, the remaining, please don't answer. We have to stop it. Got it? I'm asking the question from the square numbers. Once you answer, you have to stop it. The others should not type the answer again. Are you clear with that? It's all about who gives the answer first. Got it? Yes. Here. Okay. Type the answer only you know it. And if somebody typed the answer first, the others, please don't put the answer. It is done. Who gives the answer first? Only that matters. Okay. Your first question is 7 squared. 7 times 7. What is the answer for 7 times 7? But still uncontrollable. That's fine. That's fine. Good. Okay. Next, 17 times 17. It's over. 7 times 7 is over. 17 times 17. Good. Now 17 times 17 is done. Next, 8 times 8 or 8 squared. That was good. Somebody was able to use even the square symbol. Good hard work. Okay, 19 times 19. 19 times 19. Nineteen times 19. Okay, good. Next, 20 times 20. That was good. Okay. Now I'm erasing everything and I want you to do it for cube. That means to the power of 3. They're not for all the numbers, up to 10. Whatever is your exam requirement, I'm trying to make you to do those. Did you get it? Okay, and again, I want you to solve it. Please don't take the answers from anywhere and you try to answer. Okay, one more question. 16 times 16. 16 times 16. Good. Okay, one more. 15 times 15. 15 times 15. It's like who clicks the buzzer first? 15 times 15. 15 times 15. Done. Okay. 75 squared. 75 times 75. 75 squared. 75 times 75. 75 times 75. No 4, 2, it is 5, 6. After 7 is 8. 7 into 8 is 56. So it is 56, 25. Did you get it? Natasha, please do stop your video. No, it is 5625. Emmanuel, that's good. You're improving. It's 5625. So when I say the number, you have to take what is next 75 squared. What is after 7? It is 8. So it is 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Did you get it? Okay. One last question. 95 times 95. 95 times 95. 95 times 95. What's the number after 9? It's 10. Yes. So it's 9025. 9025. Got it? Okay. Yeah. We'll go on with the next cube numbers. Okay. So 1 times 1 times 1. So it's cube. So 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3. Find the answers up to 10. I'm giving you 3 minutes of time. See, these things will help you out in number puzzles, numbering questions, or interest rate, whatever you have these kind of multiplication based questions. These numbers would help you a lot. Okay, so please do it by yourself, no calculators. I trust you all. So please do try to do by yourself. How's if some answers are wrong, please do check it. It's 729. Mainza, your answer is wrong. Please do check it. Mainza. Okay. So now what I'll do, same thing. I'm gonna allow you to unmute yourself, but only one who doesn't have background noise. Only you can on the mic. Whoever you feel there is no background noise, you tell me the answer and I will write it. Is that okay? Okay. Who don't have the background noise, only they can unmute themselves. Not everyone. Okay, tell me the answer. I'm gonna write it.
One times one times one.
One
Okay.
times one times one
That
is
is
one.
one.
Tell me only the answer. That's fine. Any one. Any one
Two
of
times
you.
two times two,
1,
8.
8,
Again,
27,
again, okay. Again, operator, any one. Okay,
64,
8, 27,
64,
64.
125,
125,
Okay,
216,
okay,
216,
343,
343,
okay,
512,
512,
okay,
729, and
okay.
1000.
And 1000. Good. Okay, I'm giving you a minute of time to review all these values and then we can start with the next. Okay, is that okay? Are you clear with that? Okay. Read the values, check your answers, whatever you have written. If there is mistake, please do change it. When you're pressing hand raise button and if your doubts are clear, please do lower your hand so that it will be easy for me to know that you don't have any more doubts. Once your doubt is clarified, please do put down your hands. Two more minutes, last 2 minutes to read all the values. Okay, any doubts? I'm gonna stop my screen and I'm giving you a chance to, Abraham, you can have your conversation later. Please don't misuse the chat box during the class time, please. Okay. I'm gonna allow you to unmute yourself to only to answer the questions. Are you ready? If you have background noise, it's okay. Please do use the chat. It should not disturb the others. So your first question is 7 square.
7 square is
49.
49.
Very good. That was good. You're cautious. Okay. 7 cube.
343.
343.
Okay. Samson SM, please do change it to your name. And your answer is wrong. It is 343. Please do check your answer. Okay. Good. Next one is 8 cube.
512.
512.
Good. Next
512.
one, 3 square.
27.
9.
9.
3 square.
9 or 27. It is 3
7.
square.
9.
3 square. 3 square means 3 times 3.
3 squared is 27.
3 squared is 9.
9. 3 square is 9.
9.
3
3
cube
square is
is
9.
27.
3 cube is 18.
3 square is 9.
Yes. Okay, see, I'm not asking you any direct question. I'm changing the questions. Okay, I'm asking you in mixes. Okay.
Okay.
5 square.
25.
25.
25.
1 cube.
125. 125.
1 cube.
1.
1 cube is 1. 1. 1.
1.
Okay. 5 cube.
125.
125.
45 square.
125.
45 square.
1.
125.
125.
25.
45 square.
225.
2025. Yes.
25.
2025.
2025.
Yeah, that was good. 2025. Okay. Next question. 65 square.
4225.
4225.
Yes,
That was
42.
good. 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 It was so quick. Nice. Last question. 10 cube.
1000.
1,000.
1000.
1000.
Okay. That's good.
1,000.
Okay.
1,000.
Okay.
1000.
1,000.
58,000.
Okay, that was nice. I'm gonna do the next one.
And now?
Okay, it's done. Now I'm teaching you some logic between the square numbers and cube numbers. Please do listen carefully and then we'll do the next. Did you get it? So 1 times 1 is 1. I'm just writing that too, so that it would be easier for you to know what's the concept. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 49, 64, 81, and 100. Okay. Now, look at the square numbers. Only the square numbers, and tell me what numbers cannot be the last digit of the square number. What numbers cannot be the last digit of the square numbers? Odd numbers. 9 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number. You can have odd numbers. I have 1 at the last digit. See what cannot come in the last. I have 1, I have 4, I have 9, I have 6, I have 5, again I have 6, I have 9, I have 4, I have 1, and I have zeros. What cannot come in the last digit? Do you see, yeah, 2? Do you see 2 in the last digit of the square numbers? No. 3? No. 7? No. And 8. Square numbers can never end with these numbers. Are you clear with that? Okay, that's good. Okay, the same thing for the cube, that would not be. Okay, I have 8, I have 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 0. I have all the numbers. Cube, there is nothing like that as a rule. Only for the square, it is not possible. If you ask why, because when I multiply two numbers, I never get 2 as my answer. When I multiply two numbers, I never get 3 or 7 or 8 as my answers. Okay, good. Now let's look at the n number concept. Okay, so when I have numbers multiplied with 2, 1, 2, like 2 times 2 or 12 times 12 or whatever, and 8 times 8, 64, 2 times 2 is 4. Same, when I multiply with 18 times 18, 324, the ending numbers are 4. Did you get this logic? If yes, we'll go on with the next. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 8 is 64. So ending numbers of 2 and 8, squaring the numbers, the last digit will always be 4, ending with 4. Okay, Victoria, can you give me a 2-digit number ending with 2 or 8? Give me a number which is ending with 2 or 8 to multiply. That means to square it. Mohammed Izam, give me a number which is ending with 2 or 8 to multiply. Same numbers. Okay, you want to take with 12. 12 times 12. My answer is 144. And what's the last number? That's 4. Okay, so 22 times 22, it's 484. Still the last number is 4. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay. So now 18 times 18, 8 times 8 is 64. At the same time, 18 times 18 is 324. The last digit is 4. Got it. So 22 times 22 or 32 times 32 or whatever it is, the last number would be always 4. The same thing, 18 times 18 or 28 times 28 or 38 times 38, always the last number would be 4. Are you getting it? Okay. The same logic applied for numbers multiplied with 3 and 7. 3 times 3, 7 times 7 will be last number is 9. Or 13 times 13. Yup, sure. 13 times 13, the last number is 9. 23 times 23, last number is 9. 17 times 17, last number is 9. Okay. 27 times 27, the last number would be 9. Are you getting it? Okay. Next, 16 times, that's 4 times 4 is 16, last number is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, last number is 6. 4 times 4 is 16, last number is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, last number is 6. Are you getting it? The last number of ending of the square numbers. That's the logic I'm talking about right now. Okay, I'm repeating it one time. So numbers, for example, I'm just clearing on one side. Square numbers cannot end with what numbers? Square numbers cannot end with what numbers? Yes. Good. Now the numbers, let's say 11 or 1. Okay. 1 times 1. What is the last number? That means unit place. 1 times 1. What is the unit place? 1. 9 times 9. What is the unit place? 1. 81. The unit place is 1. Okay? Yeah. Now 2 times 2. The answer is 4. The unit place is 4. 8 times 8. Also, the unit place is 4. Did you get it? Okay. And next one. 4 times 4. The last number is 6. And 6 times 6. The last number is 6. Got it? Next. Any number missing? 3 and 7. 3 times 3. The last number is always 9. And 7 times 7. The last number is always 9. 49. Last number is 9. Okay, just review till here. I'm giving you a minute of time. Fine. Shall we go on with the next one? Okay. Now the same thing for the cube numbers. 1 ending with 1. 1 cube is 1. 11 cube will be, last number will be always 1. 21 cube, the last number will be always 1. Understood? What is the logic of it? Did you get it? Okay. Here, whatever the number, it goes on. So 8, 2 cube is 8 and 8 cube is 2. 3 cube is 7 and 7 cube is 3. 4 cube is 4, 5 cube is 5, 6 cube is 6. No changes. And 9 cube is 9. This is for the cube numbers. Are you clear with that? Okay. Ending digits, Abraham. It can be how big it is. It's not only up to 10. It's not up to only 10. 1 cube is 11 cube or whatever it is, the last digit is always same. Did you get it? Either it is 1 cube or 11 cube or 21 cube or 31 cube. What is the last number? 1 cube or 11 cube. Yeah, that's what the concept. Did you get it? Any doubts? The last number ending 11. Tell me some numbers ending with same, like 1, 11, 21, 31. Like that, tell me some numbers ending with same, like 2 or 12 or 32 or 42. Can you please tell me some numbers? 11. 11, tell me some numbers which would end with the same. The unit digit should be same. Give me some 3 numbers where the unit digits are same. 11. Okay, 11. Any other number? Okay, 21, 41, 121. I said same numbers in the unit place. Same numbers in the unit place. If I cube them, what will be the last digit? If I cube them, what will be the last digit? Yes. Okay. Now 28 times 28 times 28. What is the last digit? 2 or 4 or 8? Come for a conclusion. See, for 8 cube, what is the answer? For 8 cube, what is the last digit? That means the unit digit. For 8 cube, what is the unit digit? Will be 2 only. 28 cube, that unit digit will be 2 only. Are you clear with that? Okay, 8 cube, the last digit is 2, then 28 cube, also the last digit is 2. Yes, exactly. Again, when you're correct. When I say it is for 2 cube, then that is 8. When I say 8 cube, then that is 2. When I say 3 cube, that is 7. When I say 7 cube, it is 3. Yes, Mohammed Iza, you're correct. When it is 5 cube, the last number is 5. When it is 6 cube, the last number is 6. When 4 cube, the last number is 4. Yes, 9 is 9, 1 is 1, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6. But when I say 2 cube, it is 8, 8 cube is 2. 3 cube, it is 7. When I say 7 cube, it is 3. Yes, it works, but not exactly. I hope you would have seen for the square numbers. I cannot say the same logic, but the some other logic. 2 square is 4. 8 square is also 4. 64. Last number is 4. 4 square is 16. Okay. So ending with 4 times 4 is 6. Ending is 6. So 24 is also last digit is 6. Are you getting it? Some logics, I cannot say they are similar, but I can say that there are some matches. We can try to make it up. So we can say that some comparison can be done where they are likely to be same or same pattern. Yeah, maybe this numbers, no, I'm talking about only the logic, not about the numbers. Okay, that's fine. It depends upon our observation. My observation says some numbers can stick on. For example, let's say 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. So for 1 and 9, last digit are same. For the square numbers, yes. 2 and 8, they are same. 3 and 7, they are same. 4 and 6, they are same, and 5. Yeah, it is not mixed up like this. Some way it matches. Okay. I hope now it is clear. That is only for cube and this is only for square. You clear with that? Wow, that was good. Square and cube numbers. You have something with your number puzzles, reasoning questions. So where these logics to be used over there. That's the logic. Okay with that? Yes. Okay. Next one. I'm giving you some numbers to multiply. So maybe in the next class completely we'll do with decimals. And now I'll give you with more over into the multiplication tricks. So this would help you out to multiply faster. It's like boosting yourself how to solve it faster. Okay. So cube numbers will erase it. So before that, there are a lot to do. Okay. So let's take up numbers with 90s and hundreds, how to multiply them faster. Okay, for that, you need to know something called algebra. So I'll just check to you when you have your algebra topic, just a minute. Okay, no. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Oh, you have plenty of time for that. I'll give you now with these algebra questions. We just learn the formulas, and with or without formulas, we'll do it, no worries. Okay, a plus b the whole square is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you know this formula. The same format, no changes. A minus b the whole cube, that's equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And the third one, a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b into a minus b. Please do quickly read these three things, then I will give you with the next. You have to remember. If you don't know, you have to remember. This is simple algebraic formulas, squaring. Take time, read it now, it's okay. Sure, that was good. Take time. If you have done, I would suggest you that try to write it without seeing in your notebook. The others, if you don't know, take some time to read it and remember, then I can take you into the next topic. I'm giving you 3 minutes of time. Please do take some time to remember these three. Have you done? Have you done? Okay, I'm going to stop the screen. No, you're not supposed to change the order. Who was that? Against B. Again, I'm sorry. I hope I'm spelling your name right. I'm pronouncing it right. Again, it should be in the order how I have given. The reason is I'll be teaching you shortcut based on that. So it should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Please don't write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Don't write it like this. This is correct, but you cannot learn the shortcut. Did you get it? So please don't write it in this format. Write it only in the way I have given. No, you can change the order, but the thing I cannot teach you the shortcuts. If you want to learn the shortcuts, then for sure you have to follow the same thing as I've given you. Then I can teach you the shortcuts. You can just like that do it without pen. Thank you. I'm glad for that. Let's practice without pen. Okay. The first one I'm giving how to solve it mathematically. The second one I'll give you how to solve it using logic. Okay. Did you get it? I'm splitting into two boxes. I'm splitting into two boxes. I hope you remember all the square numbers which I taught you. Now you have to use that over here. That's what the purpose. So let's say, let's take something 41 squared. Okay. For the addition, I taught you in the first class how to split the numbers. Now 41, how can I break it where it should be easy to remember? When I add again, I should get 41. How can I break it? 41. When I add again, I should get 41, but the breaking should be quite easier. Yeah, 40 plus 1. That's good. 40 plus 1 square. Okay. Now, next one. 40 squared. So that means what is 4 squared? Yes. So I would write this as A and this as B. So A squared. Please do look carefully what I'm doing right now. This is mathematical. After that, I'll show you how to use the logic and solve it without your pen. This also you can do it without your pen. So A squared is 1600. And next 2 times 40 times 1. That's 80. How's it? You're way close, but not right. The 2 times 40 times 1. Moyazim Hozim. And B squared is 1 squared. Now I'm going to add them. So what's the answer? So 40 is taken as A. So A squared is 1600. 2AB, that is 2 times 40 times 1. So that is 80. 1 square is 1. Nazir. Provider Nazir, please do check your answer. 1 square is 1, not 2. Okay. So 1600 plus 80 plus 1. So it is 1681. Okay. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes, then add them up. So I'm breaking this 41 as, yeah. So 41 as 40 plus 1, 41 squared. So first I make 1600, that is A squared plus 2AB is, I'm coming back. 2 times 40 times 1. A is taken as 40, B is taken as 1. I'm substituting in the place of A square 2AB, B square. When I add them, I get 1681. Are you clear with that? Okay. Let me give a try. If anybody can give me a question, let me try to solve it. Okay, 89 square. I'll take it as 90 minus 1. So 90 minus 1 is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So 90 square is 8100. I'm without my pens and my eyes are closed. I'm just trying. 8100 minus 2AB, that means negative 180. So 8100 minus 100 is 8000. 8000 minus 80 is 7920. 7920 plus 1, 7921. I'm done. So if it is 79 or 89, as you have given 89, so what's closer to take it? Yeah, I'm writing 90 minus 1 the whole square. So 89, 90 minus 1 is 89. Did you get that? So now A square minus 2AB B square, this formula to be made over here. You have to remember this, you don't have any other go. So there are some logics to remember, but still, we don't have time for that. You have only with short time now. I'm just giving you, you remember, then it would be easy to do it. So A squared, in the place of A, what do you have? So in place of A, what do you have? 90. Yes. 90 squared minus 2 times 90 times 1 plus B squared. In the place of B, it is 1, B squared. So in subtracting it, so 8, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 8, 0 plus 1. No, subtraction. Menza, it is 90 minus 1, not 90 plus 1. Menza, check your answer. It's 90 minus 1, not 90 plus 1. It's 90 minus 1. You have to use it as minus 2AB. So minus 100. So these things, that is why I made you to learn the addition subtraction in mind calculation at the beginning. So 8100 minus 100 is 8000. 8000 minus 80. 80 plus 1. So I already have taken this 100. This 100 is gone. So subtracting 80. So if I subtract 100, I will get 7900. So here I get 7920 plus 1. So it is 7921. That's all. Okay, I'm giving you some 2 numbers over here. Let's practice that. Okay. Okay, I'm giving you two questions. If you solve it with the steps, you can put it in the chat and show me. 5 square was the answer. How do you solve it? And you can try with the 37 square. You can use any of the method. It's left to you. It's all about how do you get your final answer. To 704 or 2604. Just consolidate yourselves. Zoe, you left 2 to multiply. It's 2AB. You have multiplied only AB. Check it. Okay, can you hear me? So 552. Yes, it's correct. No worries. That's nice to see your involvement. 2, 1, plus 1. It is not minus 1, plus 1. So it is 1369, not 6869. It is plus 1. You have written multiplied by 1 square. It is plus 1 square. Your sign changed. So it is 1369. I'll just solve it and show you. So 50 plus 2, the whole square. 50 square is 2500 plus 50 times 2 times 2 is 200 plus 4. So that is 2704. That's it. And for this, I'll take it as 40 minus 3 or 30 plus 7. Anything is fine. So if I take in this, so it's 1600 minus 88 3s are 24, 240 plus 9. Okay, so 1600 minus 300 is 1300, then plus 60, 1360 plus 9, so 1369. That's all. Got it? Kezira, can you please check your answer, Kezira? Okay. Yeah, that was your mistake. In spite of addition in your paper, you have written as multiplication. That was a mistake you did. Okay, now look, I'm just teaching you the shortcut. This method is mathematical. What I'm now teaching you is shortcut. Yes, Jain, what's your question? Only Jain can unmute yourself. Only Jain. Sorry, Jaradin. Yeah, Jaradin. Only you can unmute yourself. Can you please tell me what's your doubt?
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Good
My
afternoon.
question goes thus. Yeah, my question goes thus. For 37 squared, which from what I did, I follow the same procedure like you, but now when I take a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, I know a squared, that's the square of 40.
Okay. Okay, I got your question. So what is the problem happened is, so when I take here as 40 minus 3, it's a subtraction. Then the formula I have to use the second one.
Okay, it's the second one, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
Yeah, it's a minus sign.
Okay, because in the place of b around minus 2a b, I put minus 3. That's
You would have put
where
as plus. See, I can write it as even 30 plus 7. So that is 900 plus 3 into 2, 621, 7 into 3, 21, 420. 420 plus 49. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is also a possibility, 1369. Or I can take it as 40 minus 3, then 1600 minus 240 plus 9. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. But any doubts?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's great. No, no calculators allowed in your final exam. Okay. Got it. Now I'm giving you a shortcut. I'm giving you a shortcut. Just look here. You don't want to do these calculations. I'll just show you how to do it easily. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'm giving you another shortcut, same concept, but not exactly to calculate it. Much. Yeah, that is allowed. Pen and paper allowed. You can have a rough paper and pen with you. Okay, let's take with the 37 itself. Please do look carefully. I'm going to take only the first formula, or I cannot say first or second. It's just an application. Look here carefully. Look here carefully. I'm going to write the square of it. A squared 2ab b squared. I'm not adding any plus or minus sign in between. Are you clear with that? This is a shortcut for you to learn. I'm not adding any plus or minus sign in between. Are you clear with that? Yes or no? Okay. Those 3 and 7 are split, and 3 is written as A and 7 is written as B. Any doubts? Three is written as A and 7 is written as B. 37 square, I'm breaking it 3 as A, B as 7. Okay, now the formula, I'm not writing any signs in between, they are empty. A square, 2ab, b square. Okay, now what's A square? In the place of A, I have only 9, remember that. What's A square? 9. Okay, what's B squared? 49. Good. What is 2ab? That means 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 times 7. Yes, only 42. No 420, only 42. Okay, look here carefully. I'm again telling you, just look at me, look here carefully. The number 9, write it down. This 4, give it to him to add it. So it is 42 plus 4. 42 plus 4. What is 42 plus 4? Yeah, 46. Now write the 6 down. Write the 6 down. And this 4 add with 9. What is 9 plus 4? 30. So my answer is 1, 3, 6, 9. That's it. Okay, look here. I'm giving you with another number rather than giving the same number. Let's take this 41 square. (41 square). Okay. Just try with it. I'm writing it over here. 41 square, 4 as A and 1 as B. Right. Any doubts? 4 as A, 1 as B. The same format, just remember in your mind, a squared, 2ab, b squared. Please don't write it, try to do it in your mind so that it becomes easy. A squared, 2ab, b squared. This should be only in your mind. Then only you can do it without pen. A squared, 16. B squared, 1. 2ab, 2 times 4 times 1 is 8. I have 1. Do I have anything in front of 1? Do I have anything in front of 1? No. So write this 1 below. And I can say there is it's a 0. Nothing is there. So it's just a count of 0 to add. If there is something, then I have to take it and add it, like the previous question. If there is nothing, then you need not to do anything. Clear with that? Now 8, I'm going to write it down. Do I have anything in front of 8? No. Then there is nothing to carry and add it. Write that 6 over here. So it's 1681. It's done. Are you clear with that? If there is something in front to add it, I can carry and add it, or I would stop it over here. That's it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay. In the second one, this is 16, this is 8, and b square is 1. I have only 1. If it's a 2-digit number, I have to add with the next number. Okay. Let's take 89, a good example to do it. Okay, let's do with 89. So tell me, what is a square? I think it takes time. We'll just wind it up. No problem. What is 8 squared? 64. What's 2ab? What is 2ab? 8, 9. This is A and this is B. So 64. What is 2ab? That means 2 times 8 times 9. What is 2ab? 2 times 8 times 9. Multiplication, not addition. 2 times a squared 2ab b squared. You have to remember that in your mind. 144. Yeah, that was good. 144. Clear with that? 144. Now what is b squared? 81. Now I'm changing my pen color. This one will remain here. Sure. There's 8 over here, so that is adding it. So 144 plus 8, so it's 152. So 2 down and 15 over here. So that is 9, 7. 7921. Done. Okay, I'll do it for 52 square. Okay, look here. 5, 2. This is A, this is B. So 25, 2AB, 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 20. And 2 square is 4. So I'll write the 4 down. Do I have anything in front of 4? No. So I'll write this 0 over here. So in front of 0, I have to take this 2, add it over here. 25 plus 2, 27. It's done. That's all. That was good. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Are you getting the logic? Okay, see, I'm teaching you these logics because it is an aptitude, not mathematics. You have to use different ideas over there. So it will work over here. So what you're learning, I cannot say this questions would come over there. I would not propose, but these methods can be applied over there. It's all about application. Got it? So I'm trying to give you different concepts in math. You have to mix it and apply it in your question paper. Thank you. That's nice. Okay, any other questions? I'm just allowing you with the last 2 minutes. I've on all your mics. If you have any question, you can quickly make it up. And I hope you have the video lessons in your YouTube, and it's being sponsored by Jain University. I hope you know that. So it is being sponsored by Jain University, and you have the video links by Step Up. Okay, thank you, Agnes. I'm giving you the YouTube link. You can click on it, review the class, what you have done today, do some practice, and we will do that. Don't worry, practice it. Practice it. Okay, I've given you the link. Go through the YouTube video. You will be able to do it for sure. Okay. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll catch up with the next class. I think we will be meeting back on Saturday. Okay, tomorrow, yes, you have class. Thank you. Tomorrow you have a class, and I would be there on Saturday. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you.